Videography has become more and more popular over the decades, and with the advent of the internet and portable cameras, channeling everyone's inner Spielberg is as easy as hitting a button. Just like any art, film and photography is as subjective as an oil painting in a museum. However, the tools that the artist chooses to use comes through in their work and can either hinder the piece or make it extraordinary. When it comes to film and motion pictures, drone technology has made a vast impact on production teams, making it much easier and cost-effective to get beautiful and captivating aerial visuals like these. When we think of drones, there are usually two different types that people tend to think of. The small, compact toys that people bring to the park, or the giant machines of war, capable of decimating entire towns on the other side of the world. Both types are nearly identical, not in the way they look, obviously, but the operational demands that they both meet. Both of them achieve aerial flight with an onboard pilot. They both maintain connection to a master control panel wirelessly, all while having background computation measuring wind speed, direction, and magnetic heading. Most drones at a professional level also utilize GPS technology to maintain real-time location data. In addition, these usually have onboard cameras allowing the pilot to see what the drone sees, as well as having sensors warning the drone and its pilot to any hazards in the flight path, like brush or trees. In addition to all of this, these objects need to be light. For the typical consumer variation, most of the materials used are plastic, durable polymer, and carbon fiber. The reason for this being that these devices use LiPo batteries with differing output as its power source, and in order to achieve optimal flight times, being as light as possible helps the drone stay aloft for longer periods of time. When it comes to a military drone, however, these machines use normal aircraft fuel in conjunction with a double-blade pusher propeller. This increase in thrust power allows the aircraft to be much larger, thus housing more sophisticated mechanical equipment on board, including navigation technology, weapon systems, and a payload of up to 450 pounds. With not having to carry a human pilot and being mostly comprised of carbon fiber and Kevlar, these drones can fly for more than 24 hours, fully fueled and armed. What makes drones so attractive to both the general public as well as the military is that they're generally cheap to manufacture as well as purchase. For the military's Predator drone, the unit cost of this machine is $6.48 million, with an annual operation cost right around $3 million. It sounds like a lot, but when you compare it to the F-35 Strike Fighter's $95 million price tag and an operational cost of $5 million, you can see that a drone costs less than 10% of a normal fighter jet. All the while, not risking human lives by putting them in combat. Now, unless you have a few $1 million lying around, the drones that are most available would be the typical videography or sports drones that cost anywhere between $100 to $2,500. Sure, there are more expensive models out there on the market, however this price range reflects the majority of commercial drone availability. The company that is absolutely killing this market would be DJI, with 6 different models within PC Magazine's top 8 drones of 2018. It is without a doubt producing a quality product. DJI, however, is not the only company that makes these drones. Companies like Parrot, Unique, Protocol, and GoPro are all capitalizing on the drone phenomenon, thus pushing this relatively new technology further and making these devices all the much better. When the Predator drone first began operations, the thing that would set it apart from the normal aircraft was its powerful camera system that allows its pilots to not only fly the aircraft, but to also monitor enemy positions on the ground. This attribute would label the military drone as the ultimate spy technology in the eyes of the general population. Arguably, some of the most popular commercial drones in the market have followed this fundamental design and include some sort of optical camera system on board. Most of the flight design for these commercial drones rely heavily on line-of-sight control between the pilot and the drone. However, with the more powerful models available, some of these devices can fly several miles away with an altitude cap well over 1,000 feet. These require some sort of alternate visual assistance. The most common would be a private Wi-Fi connection between the pilot's phone and the drone itself. That'll send a real-time video feed of what the drone's camera is seeing, aiding in long-distance flight. It wasn't very long until people used drones to record and capture beautiful images that was near impossible to do so before. Hollywood has even caught on to the trend, with most productions preferring drones over helicopters and airplanes to capture aerial shots, as they are much cheaper to operate. The advent of the drone racing league pitches pilots against one another, racing lightweight drones around a multi-level course has become a new and exciting televised sport. Construction professionals as well as real estate agents are using them to provide detailed layouts and tours of their property. Finally, first responders including fire and police departments from all over the country are beginning to include divisions that use this technology to gather more information on developing situations without risking any lives. All in all, drone technology has made a huge impact on modern society. Its implications beginning in the U.S. military and the gradual trickle down to the general public have created a revolutionary technology that will continue to influence how people see, share, interact, and express themselves in our world.